I have multiple personalities, trust me. What's up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? Hey. Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel, guys. Can y'all believe it's fall already? I am so excited. I have been looking forward to this all year because y'all know what that means. It's 1 month closer to my birthday. All right, so today, guys, we have the long-awaited FabFitFun, and this is the fall box, guys. So if you guys want to see what's in my fall FabFitFun, stay tuned. If you have not done so already, I really hope that you would consider being a part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Put your bells on so you'll know when I'm posting, which is every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. It's free, y'all. I'm telling you. Today we have FabFitFun. You getting a mellow mood, TonyaNicole, today. I'm just so, girl, I'm just feeling this fall look. So I just need to, take it down for all the lovers in the house tonight, right? We're drinking, as usual, Moscato. So cheers, guys. We're going to take a dance break and a drink break. Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I appreciate you all dearly. Now, let's get on into the specs of FabFitFun. Let's get into the specs of FabFitFun and then unbox it. For you guys that do not know, it is a seasonal box. It's a seasonal lifestyle box. You pay $49.99 each season. You're supposed to get 8 to 10 full-sized premium products 4 times a year with a value of $200 and more, possibly. They do allow you to customize your items in your box depending on if you are a quarterly subscriber or you just do the year. I did, in fact, sign up for the year. So I got to choose 3 or 4 items, I think, in this box this month. I'm not really too certain, but once I see them, I'll know, guys. If you want to save some coins, there is a link down below for you guys to click just in case you want to sign up for FabFitFun. This is not a PR box, guys. I purchased this with my own money. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. I'm gonna slice her open because I haven't opened it yet, guys. I ordered this box, I've been ordered this in August, and I just got it. Today is the 24th. I'm filming this of September. So, yeah, it took a long time. They said because COVID and all that, I don't know, but it took a long time. We're just gonna open the box. There we go. FabFitFun right there on the top. And let's see the goodies we got. So when we first open up the box, they do give you some coupons and stuff. This one is for FabFitFun to get $15 off right there. Sometimes you don't need an inspirational quote, you just need wine. I do love this saying right here. And they give us some money off here. And you get $80 off of HelloFresh right there. Those are just a few coupons we have. We do have a booklet this month. I thought the booklet looked different on other videos, but I don't know. So this is the fall box, guys. There you go. And on the inside, it tells us all of the products we could have gotten and chosen and, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go over the prices with you. So it's enough chitter chatter. Let's go on and see the products that we got. First up on top, guys, is from Winky Lux. And this is the Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, that's what the packaging looks like, which I absolutely love. This is what it looks like on the side. It's saying that it's universal. I really don't care too much for products that say universal because everybody's brows definitely aren't the same color, but we shall see. Ooh, look at the packaging. It's from Winky Lux, guys. That's beautiful. On this side here, we have a spoolie. So it is a dual-sided brow pencil, which I love when it comes with the spoolie. On the other side is the angled pencil. Pull it up. Oh, well, wait, this might work for me. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and see. Let me pull it down a little bit. I don't want to break it. Oh, it feels very waxy. and it's hard to come. I guess you have to like kind of warm it up some, but that's how it swatched out on my hand. So I will try this and see if this, you know, will work on me. Let's look at the price of this. Okay, I'm a little bit confused about this box and what type of box this is. I don't know if this is like a welcome box or what, but I knew this looked different. I didn't get, I'm gonna have to contact them because they have no products or prices in this magazine here. So I don't know if this is the welcome, but I don't know what kind of box this is, but if it's not the seasonal box, I'm gonna be very upset because I don't see any of my products or prices in here. Like, it's no prices at all. So I don't know what anything retails for, and I'm very irritated. I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't know what box this is. So now TonyaNicole is not having a good start with FabFitFun because I need to know. Oh, it says members picks boxes. I don't know if I didn't think I ordered that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go and look at my bill, but there's no prices. So that means I'm gonna have to look up this stuff and put it down below. But this is the first product, guys. It is from Winky Lux, and it is this universal brow pencil right there. Okay. Next up from Skin & Co, we have this whipped cleansing cream here. Truffle Therapy, that's what it looks like right there, my loves. And you get 100 milliliters of product in here. It is sealed up, so I will not open this, but it says this is a gentle yet effective cleanser and makeup remover that is highly concentrated with antioxidants and skin-soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. It is packed with black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. Okay, cool. So all you're gonna do is gently put this on your face and massage it in a circular motion for 60 seconds. Wipe away with a wet washcloth or face sponge and rinse with lukewarm water. It's ideal to gently remove makeup for all skin types. And this is what it looks like right here, my loves. So I am happy to receive a cleanser. I wish I knew the price though, but let me fan and take a drink. Next up, loves, we have the No Problem Primer. This is a smooth and pore covering primer that's top secret for perfect makeup. And I did get this once in a BoxyCharm and I absolutely loved it. I actually finished it. So when I did get a chance to choose this product, I did. That's why I'm very confused about the box that I got. This is what the No Problem Primer looks like, guys. And you do get 1 fluid ounce of product. And I do love this because it does blur out my pores and really gets my skin ready for makeup. I'm not oily with this primer, so I do really like this. So I definitely had to purchase me another one. Does come with a little pump right here. So, all right, I am happy for this, my loves. Next product is from Cuccio. And this is the Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt hand and body wash. And this is a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. There we go right there, my loves. The bottle is gorgeous. So on the back here, it says a new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses. It's made with lavender oil, provitamin B5 and shea butter. Gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin. Using the finest ingredients, Epsom salt helps muscles feel reinvigorated and re-energized after the most intense of workouts, or in my case, working. The combination of vitamin B5 and shea butter helps to keep your skin feeling moisturized after a shower. So enjoy the soothing essential oil blend of lavender oil to help wash away stress and worry from the day, leaving the mind, body, and spirit completely calm, renewed, and restored. And I'm definitely going to use this after this unboxing. Maybe this could calm me down a little bit, right? Let's open it and take a little sniff-see. Oh, it smells just like lavender, and it's something else in here. I don't know, but I definitely can smell the lavender, and I am looking forward to testing this out. I'm always looking for a nice calming body or hand wash. So, okay. Next up, we have this right here, the Makeup Drop Hybrid, what is this? Silicone pad and blending sponge. So that's what it looks like right there. The color is cute. And I have never heard of Makeup Drop before. Have you guys? So when we pull it out, this is what it looks like, my loves. So as you can see, this part here looks different from the sponge. So this would be the silicone part right there, and the back would be the spongy area. This is kind of neat. I wish I had my real contacts in so I can see. So as you can see, the front here, the silicone part, guys, is for sculpting and outlining. And the sponge part is for a flawless airbrush finish. Okay, cool. So you're going to apply a small amount of the product directly onto the silicone side and dab and draw out whatever you want to sketch out on your face. And then you're going to take the sponge to kind of get those edges and blend it out seamlessly. Okay, I am excited about this and trying this out. This is very different from me. So, okay, I'm happy about this. All right. Next up out of the box, we have from Amber Sets or Seats. And this is a dual necklace right here. This is very, very, very pretty. I do like this. It's like 2 little coins on it with a double necklace. And it says, this is a necklace that is made with quality and longevity as a focus. It requires handling with care to remain in its original condition. Avoid cleaning products, chlorine and hairspray, body lotion and perfume will tarnish your necklace. So is this real gold or not? Okay. So apply before wearing to allow it to dry before you put your necklace on. And this is very pretty, guys. I do like this. I will wear this. So, all right, I'm happy with that. And then we have these right here, which was a choice item that I chose because I always need some slippers. So let's see. Oh, and it's such a pretty color. I love gray because it goes with everything. Look at that, guys. Oh, I like these. They're in the size medium large. And as you can see on the inside, it's like a woof. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. This is so adorable. I love these. They feel so soft. I cannot wait to put these babies on. I'm not lying. As soon as I'm finished with this video, I'm gonna go soak in my tub and then put these beautiful little slippers on. They are from PJ Salvage and it says live life cozy right there. And these are like adorable, guys. I do like these. Okay, I'm happy with this box so far. I'm just very irritated that I don't have a card or the normal pamphlet that comes with my boxes. And I don't know if this is just, okay, let's get our last product. Last product I chose, guys, comes in this plastic right here. So let's open her up. When we open it up, it is this little tote bag right here, my loves. And it's from Botier. Let me put the tag so you can see it. That's who it's from. And this is a nice big tote. They did have like a backpack and something else, but I'm not really a backpack person. So I was thinking, and you know, when I'm working or just for everyday little stuff, because I always carry a lot of stuff, y'all, I could use this tote. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very nice and, oops, it's very nice and roomy. You have some little pockets here on the top for your phone or for ink pens. There's a zipper right here on the inside, guys, for you to put like your wallet or your cards. A little zipper on the side here. I don't think this has a function, no. It's just a little added design on the side. And I do like this tote. Now, I know it's like $100 and something. I would never pay that for this, but I do like it. It's very, very, very cute. And that's the tote right there. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, my love. So that was my final product in this fall's Fab Fit Fun. Let's quickly recap and we're going to do final thoughts and I'm going to be done. From Touch and Soul, the No Problem Primer. From Winky Lux, this eyebrow pencil. From Skin & Co. Roma, the Whipped Cleansing Cream. From Makeup Drop, this sponge and silicone right there. From Cuccio, this Calm and Clean hand and body wash. From Amber Seats, this dual necklace here, this little double necklace. This big tote here. And these slippers. 8 products I received in this box. Final thoughts on this box is I actually really did enjoy this fall's members pick box or FabFitFun box. I'm not really sure which one this is, but I did enjoy the products that I received. I am looking forward to using a lot of them, the tote, the shoes, the necklace, the primer. There is a lot of products in this box that I can use and I am looking forward to. Is it worth $49? Right now, I'm gonna say yes, because the products that I got, I think are priced well over $40. Now, some of them won't be worth the price that I put on the screen, but I think for the most part, I got my money's worth with this fall box. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the hot sun, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give my FabFitFun for fall a whopping 4. 3.5 to 4. I really enjoy the products, guys, and I think that I will get some use out of them. So that is my rating. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of my box. Let me know if you get FabFitFun. I am only subscribed for 1 year. I'm only going to do 1 year, and that's going to be it. I just wanted to really try this box out. Since I did get rid of my BoxyCharm Luxe, I was looking for another box in this price range. So I said, let me try FabFitFun. So the first box that I got for fall, I thought maybe I would get like a scarf or something, you know, to come with the weather, but I am pleased with my products. Please consider subscribing to your girl and becoming a part of my family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this box. And if you enjoy your girl, this is the Mellow Moods TonyaNicole. I know, I like this one too. I have multiple personalities, trust me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter, guys. All of those links are down below. The FabFitFun link will be down below as well, just in case you guys want to save some coins. And yeah, that's all I have, guys. I am wearing the contacts today from the video I did. When did I do this video? I don't know. When I unboxed Ipsy and did the TTDI contacts. These are the Twinkle Blue. I am loving them. And these nails, guys, are the medium Kiss Coffin nails. So I just put these on and I am loving them. They are just like so Halloweenish. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. Please, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, stay united. Erase racism, because it's just, I just hate what's going on in the world today, y'all. But that's all that I have, my loves. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye.